Hello, hello. Hi, Nupid. Hi, L. Congrats on being first, L. How are you? Happy Friday to both of you. Let me put on some music. And then I'll calibrate my hands because it's not done yet. Oh, it kind of works actually. It's not too bad. I'll still calibrate it uh, just to be sure and give you the best experience possible. You're sleepy. Maybe it's time to rest soon. Soon. Let's see. Is this a good one? Okay, I like this. I like the vibes of this. Okay, let me calibrate this hand. Use soothing DB voice to drift off? Okay, sounds good. Alright, let me calibrate. Close fist. And hand. Thumbs up. Thumb side. And peace. Okay. Got both my hand calibrated now. Nice, nice. Oh, battery's so good. I didn't charge it since last stream, which was like 3-4 hours last stream, and it's still 91%. That is pretty solid, actually. I like that. Okay, but yeah, today the plan? Work on something. Did I decide what yet? No. It's stuff like that. So maybe, you know, I have an idea of what I could work on. I've been wanting to update my pen, my marker. Do I have it here? No. Existing project. Where's my pen project? Marker project. Okay. Update. Is there an update? Oh. My project is a legacy object. A project. Oh no. Hi Psy. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Like the Kirby. Kirby lurk. Okay, let me just make sure there's a backup ready with that project. So usually this is a... Wait, is it not? Oh, right. Wait, where did I... Oh, here. Okay. I was like, where is the Git? It's in here. Really? I put the Git in here? That's fascinating. Maybe I should just make a new project. You know, I'll do that. Because the structure, I don't like it. Yes. Let's do a marker 2.0. I'm dumb, just got home. Yeah, it's raining a lot. Is it raining hard? Like I saw like the rain. It was pretty intense in the afternoon. I didn't check lately. Yeah, let's do a new updated avatar project. In packages, yeah. Kitty marker 2.0. Oh. We're getting raided. Welcome raiders. Hi Snow. No raid audio. No, not again. Did I mess it up? Did I mess up monitoring? You should have heard it. That's weird. Oh, I know. Okay. 100% chance of Snow raid. Hello. Hi Snow. Thank you for the raid. Oh, I didn't realize you were ending so quickly after. Glad that we got the raid done. Did you do any extra raids? Let me give you a shout out. Alright, shout out for Snow. To anyone who doesn't know me, I am DBQZ Time Traveler, VTuber, Get Ambassador, VTuber Manager, Unity Enthusiast, Unity Expert, VR Enthusiast. There you go. And today we'll be working on some VR chat assets. I want to update my marker, which is available for free on Booth, GitHub, and Wicked Store. But hello, thank you so much for the raid, Snow. Anyone who doesn't know, Snow is also a very amazing VTuber. Does a lot of cool games and was playing Pokemon just now. I was helping with some of the Scarlet and Violet raids, and we were successful in today's Dragonite 7 stars raid. Yeah, and welcome Sanity in. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Cutie Squad. Let me replay that animation because it's a cool animation and the sound was not working. So let me redo it. We're not getting a second raid, but we'll review, rewatch the raid animation from Snow. Let me do that. Wait, I need to open a stream element. Scuff. Thank you so much for helping out and the bliss. Of course, I'm happy to help out. I have so many blisters. So I sent you like a good one. Okay, let me replay the raid animation. Not a real raid, this is just the replay. And this is the raid. This was the raid from Snow with a Twitch chat of level 8. Challenging us to a fight. So you know, fun fact, that little sprite that you saw over here that was like Dawn from Emerald, you can get your own custom one if you have enough points. There is a redeem called Become a Pokemon Trainer for 42,069 points. I will personally draw a sprite for you, and it will show up during the raids if you if you raid me with the after redeeming it. Like, I know a couple of people in the chat that has it already, L being one of them. So if you would like to have your own sprite show up when you raid me, or if you just want like full pixel art of a Pokemon trainer based on you, that's a redeem you can do, and that's the only way you can get it. I'm not like, there's no commission system or anything. That's the only way you can get it, just for now, by redeeming in the channel points down there. Throw bits to me. Thank you for the bit. I appreciate it. No, appreciate it. Thank you. I love. You need more points. Yeah, gotta build up some more points. Give you marker 2. Yeah, I kind of like that name. That was our project. Yeah, so I'm going to start from scratch, but I'll not actually from scratch. I'll import my own project and then update it just on the new SDK. Oh, there's a update. Okay, let's do it. So I'll do that. Yeah. I'll be working on some projects. That's the plan for today, and maybe like by the end of it, like once I'm done, if there's enough people that are interested, like we can play some Fall Guys, do some of those event stuff, or like what was it called? Dailies. Alright, update all the thing. Gesture manager, yeah, that's always useful. Quest switch, nah. I need to make my thing quest compatible at some point. Is there anything else I want? Maybe VRM. Yeah, VRM. Actually, with VRM converter, I'll make it a little bit easier. And the other thing I want to try is to learn how to do modular avatars. I want to learn how to do that. So I'll install that and learn, because I have no idea how to use it. So it's going to be a new thing for us. Okay, got everything in here. Let's open the project. What is modular avatar? Let me show you their webpage. So modular avatar is a system for building VR chat assets where you can drag and drop prefabs or like toggles, stuff like that, into the avatar in modular fashion, which means it's not actually on the avatar permanently. And this is nice because like it means you can create multiple avatars quickly and just like toggle what features you want on and off. And if you want to revert, like if you want to remove, it's super easy to remove because it's modular, being multiple modules that you can add to the avatar. Like all the animations and stuff like that is split up instead of being permanently on the avatar. Now there's like some trade-offs usually with this approach of building avatars, that it can be a little bit tricky to manage if like the assets are not modular avatar compatible. Like if you're trying to bring something that is not compatible with the system, you have to work around it, right? You have to find a way either to make it work as a modular or add it permanently to your avatar. The other thing is if you want to test in editor or like check up like the upload size, stuff like that, it might not be accurate because all the stuff is not on the avatar in Unity, but only when you build like the final version to upload. So like there are some trade-offs, but having an avatar where you can toggle in and on and off stuff, I think is something I want to explore and understand. Because this modular avatar system is getting more and more popular. Like I'm seeing more prefabs using those, and I think it can be a selling point, right? If an asset like I'm offering is compatible with this, then maybe people who are relying on this system will be more incentivized to get it. And I want to do that. There's another system, very similar idea called VR Fury, I think it's called, which also does a modular avatar stuff. And I have some experience working with it. It works. It's nice. It has some trade-offs, like I said. But I've never worked with modular avatar, so I want to try. And yes, all the clothes. So like that means you can have like a bunch of like you can set it up so like you have one avatar like base, right, and then have a bunch of different clothing options, and you can just toggle which one you want on at upload time. I think that's something that would be cool to have. Okay, now I need to log into my VRC stuff, so I'm going to do that on a different monitor because I don't want you all to connect into my account. That would be kind of bad. Although I do have two-factor authentication. Well, what? Did I not copy the right one? There you go. Then yeah, I have multi-factor authentication, so you shouldn't be able to get in anyway. But I don't wanna be safe, you know. Better safe than sorry. Okay, I'm now logged into my account. SDK is on a separate screen. I'll keep it on a separate screen for now. Okay, now the first step is to bring my actual project in here. So let's do that. Where do I find the latest version of my project? Can I just search for my own? Yes, I can. Okay, I was curious. I just typed UbiQt on Google. Oh, obviously, well, it's not signed in, so I don't know. Maybe. But anyway, there's like the GitHub. My GitHub is on here, and then you can find the Qt marker. That's one of the pinned repo. And then I can go to the releases, and I'll download the latest release and use that. Complete it. That was quick. I don't need this anymore. Let's drag this in. Okay. Yeah, I'll bring everything pretty much. Yeah, I'll bring everything. Well, WYIG has appeared. Welcome, Jot. How are you doing? Also, let me know, chat, if my mic is not set up properly, like audio and stuff. I'm still getting used to this setup. It's not perfect yet. Like the volume and all of that, I'm still tweaking a lot, trying to find a good balance. And if I'm peaking a lot, I want to fix that, you know. Am I peaking? Is my voice peaking? No. Sounds perfect on your end. Okay, that's awesome. That's what I want to hear. Well, I mean, that's what I want to hear if it's real. if it's not real, I want to know so I can like fix it. Greenabil, hello. It's been a while. How are you doing? Okay, so let's see. I need an avatar to add this on. So let's do that. Is any of this real? You know, so that's a good question. Doing swell. I don't know if that's a typo for well or if you're actually feeling swell or like I don't know, strong or something. Is that still something people say? Am I too old? Am I boomer? But glad you're feeling swell or well or both. That's a good thing. Swell? Maybe. You're right, Jolt. You're right. I might be too young. Dang. That's a first. Is it me or is it just like there's a double soundtrack on this? Not old enough. Swell is like 1920s. Boomer cutie. Oh no. I mean the vibe of this music is good, but like it I don't know. There's something weird about it. I mean it bothers me. Let me get another one. I like this mix. Let's go with this one. It's an old mix, but I like it. Actually, it isn't possible for me to be too young or too old. How come? Yeah, can you elaborate a little bit, Bill? Like I'm not sure to fully understand what you're trying to say there. Oh, because I'm a time traveler. That is true. That is a good point. I mean, I come from the future. So in some way, I could say, we could argue that I'm too young for some of the older trends. But I could learn about them by traveling back in time. Right? So maybe there's an argument to be held there. I typoed models. Yeah. Let me import in like a little model. Let me pull this up. Yeah. This should be okay. Original timeline to be growing up in Skibidi Toilet is hard to imagine. I mean, that's like this generation's, right? You don't know how far in the future I am from, so maybe by the time I'm there, Skibidi Toilet is something not in trend anymore. Or maybe it is. Who knows? Who knows? Yeah. Oh. There's no textures. I imported the wrong one. Whoops. Let's try again. It's confusing. Alright, there we go. Found the right model. I really like those gloves. It feels two things. It feels comfy, actually. I like the feel. And now that I've changed to new trackers, it's lighter. So I have like good control over my hand and it's light. Except like there's my mic right here. I keep hitting it. There we go. We got the avatar here. So we'll use that as a base. Yeah, let's have the main scene. Nameki, hello, how are you doing? Alright, so let's revisit my marker system. What was the instructions to install it? I did this like 3 years ago, it's been a while. Oh god, Kyo, hello! Thank you for the resub being a cutie agent for 31 months. Thank you, how are you? I assume this means you're safely back home from being stuck outside, right? I hope so. Make an option for maze. Yeah, so there's two things I want to try do, right? I want to make erasing a button in the menu instead of a gesture, so you don't erase by accident. That's what I'm thinking right now. Are you gonna insult our skibidi creature? Eating nums? Nice. I hope it's good nums. So that's another thing I want to do. Like I want to change the erase into like a menu thing, because it's too easy to accidentally delete. And I think it's okay if the delete is like 1 extra click, well 2 extra click instead of a gesture. I think I'm okay with that trade-off. And I want to make it modular avatar compatible. Oh, also for writing. Oh, okay, so always writing. Yeah, that's a good idea. And that's actually easy to do. It's just like a button I can add. Yeah. I like that. Okay. Make a skibidi PM. Oh no. I wouldn't know how to do that. Okay, but let's see. What did I explain 3 years ago how to install this? Get a list, import, add marker to the hierarchy. Okay. And then unpack and okay, unpack, and then move QD marker position into the child of the bone you want to. Okay, so the position I put it. Okay, so that's this old setup. Should I do the old setup first and then make it modular avatar after, or make it modular avatar first and then do the setup? I should read up on how to do modular avatars. I think that's the part I need to do, because I need to understand what are the requirements to make it better. Stroke smoothing, I can look into that. Because the thing is with that is it's smooth when you write it yourself, but it's not smooth for other people looking at you if you go too fast. And that might be an avatar limitation, because worlds are fine because there's like a smoothing thing in worlds. Like you actually, if you draw really fast with a pen in a world, you see the jagged line and then it becomes smooth after. So there's like a thing that's smooth after the fact. For Avatar, I don't know if I can actually do that, but I'll look into it. Modular Avatar should be a stretch goal. No, it's actually one of my main goals. I want to do that as like a main goal after updating all the things. But maybe I'll do it after. Yeah, you know what? I'll do it after. Let's do like the things that I know. So I feel good about accomplishing things. And then I'll go back to Modular Avatar. But it's not a stretch goal for me. It's a main goal. I want to start making myself modular avatar compatible, so I can place the logo of modular avatar on like the listing on like VKit store or booth, and that way people will know that it's compatible and they can use it safely for their avatar. I just want to make it compatible. It doesn't have to be only modular avatar, but I want to make it compatible. But let's do the normal setup first. So let's go to the index finger. I don't see it anymore. And index, and then drag the position in here. Align it. Okay. Whoa, the zoom. Oh yeah, reset this. And then oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good alignment. Yep, I'm happy with that. Okay, and then next step, move the QD marker game object to the child of the avatar object. Representative should have the animation controller. Okay, here. Actually, I should have converted this into a VR avatar first. Let's do that. Actually, okay. I forgot it's still a VRM. So let's do a quick conversion. And I'm using like the auto VRM converter for VIA chat. Yeah, we can convert, which is a really good tool for like quick conversion. I like it. It's not perfect, but it works pretty well. So now I have the VR chat version. That's what I need. I don't need that much space here. Where's the two of them? Okay, so it's here. This is the VR chat version. Yeah, let's redo that. Bring QD marker in. Unpack. And then find the bone where I want the marker to be. Typically, it's the index, the tip of the index of the dominant hand. So the right hand index. I'll put the marker there. Reset the transform. We've seen that it lines up pretty well. And then next step is pull the QD marker object to the root of the avatar. Taco Bell? I guess so. I don't know. I don't know enough about Skibidi Toilet other than like it exists. And there's like a very long series of videos about it. Okay, and then what else? On a game marker. On the game marker object, on the parent constraint component, click 0 and then activate. Game marker object. On the parent constraint, click on 0 and then activate. And then okay. And then on the avatar is a descriptor, replace the FX layer with the marker, the FX thing. And on the avatar descriptor, okay, so it's all avatar stuff. Taco Bell, perfect for those nighttime shifts. Perhaps. Okay. Bloop. Alright, let's replace it for now. So FX is here. Let's put the no red default FX. And then for the menu, I'll just replace it with mine. And the expressions, I need to copy over. So let's keep this here. Oh, there's a blank now. It's new. Okay. Interesting. Very, very interesting. But here we have the parameter. Let's open a second inspector. So I can copy these three values over, which is a bowl, and float. So bowl, and float. Saved and synced. There we go. Okay. So this avatar is now fully set up to use my pen. We can test it. So let's turn on the gesture manager and go to play. Unless PM was supposed to set for something else. I don't know. Don't forget to use a new constraint system. You are right. I should look into that. Thank you for the reminder. Is that fully out yet, or is that beta? Marker toggle on, and then let's do like the gestures. It's twist with left hand and point, and then move the avatar. Whee! That works. You can see the drawing. Okay, so basic setup still works. All good. Let me check if let me check the new constraint stuff. Let me just clear empty. Constraint. Oh yeah, it's here. Okay, URC constraint. I'll swap to that. It will be better. It will be less laggy. Okay. But I'll do that after After? Now? Now. Let's do it now. Yeah. So let's add the VRC parent constraint. It looks the same. It's easy to set up. That's amazing. Oh no, wait. Actually, it's not exactly the same. Source. It's almost the same. That's great. I like it. Easy to set up. Yeah. Yeah, so we got a source. Then we can do 0 and an active. And then I can remove this one. And let's see if it works. Clear model. Was that different from what you thought it was, Jolt? Okay, let's do first finger point and move the avatar. Yep, that works. Perfect. Okay, well that's already one upgrade done. The asset is ready to use the new constraint, which is less laggy. So that's actually an excellent thing. Okay, now let's update the animator. Boop, boop, boop. Skibidi. PM is in nighttime shift. Oh, you were thinking like PM, like afternoon? Is that what you were thinking about, Jolt? That's kind of a different one. Kind of a little bit different. Like the first reaction for me, PM was like Prime Minister, but like I was like, yeah, no, it's probably not Prime Minister. And that's only relevant because like in Canada they don't have a president, they have a Prime Minister, and we often use the PM abbreviation for it. Okay, so I have animation. Okay, so toggle shows same, just an on off, pretty easy. Let me see if I did a good job back then. Ask DB, how did you do? You did good. Perfect. Good job. Good job, mate. Pat on the back. Okay, so toggle is good. Color, I think that's also good. Auto. Actually, let me double check for colors if it's good. But let's see. So same thing here. There's a color true false, color wheel, which is blend tree, or RGB. Okay. And then RGB is a loop time. Blend tree. Let's take a look at the blend tree. It's a blend between two colors. Okay. Color wheel 0 and 1. Which is just the value in the texture, I believe. Yes, it's just the value in Z-axis. Okay, let's test the color thing. I just want to double check something because I remember at some point like the colors were a bit weird for me. Show manager. This single point. Expressions, toggle. No, this is like, it should be rainbow. Is that a good rainbow? That's not bad, right? They want to make it different. Let's see. Emitting color RGB. The RGB one, all it does is it sets the texture to this. Okay, should be fine. Time. This is in seconds. How many seconds is it? Like, what does that mean in minutes? Practical. 86,400 seconds is 1,440 minutes, which is 24 hours. Oh yeah, fine. The marker will survive for 24 hours. So if for some reason you draw something and then you stay in that world for more than 24 hours, you have other problems. I don't even know if it actually lasts for 24 hours. I feel like it doesn't. I don't know. But I cannot make it better than what it is. Like, I put 24 hours. If VRChat forces a limit on it, then there's nothing else I can do. But 24 hours is the intended thing. Okay. And then minimum vertex distance. It's at 1 centimeter. Oh yeah, that's kind of big, huh? Let's kind of make it 1/10 of a centimeter. That is a little bit more, like that's a millimeter. That's more reasonable, maybe, for smooth. I don't know, maybe this will fix the smoothness. I'm not sure. We'll try. Ooh, texture, stretch, towel. Wait, I want to see. I cannot see. Come on, I don't want to outline. What does it look like if I towel? Ooh, okay. Oh, it's much better for the rainbow one. Like, the color changes more quickly. Or I can do this, where it's super intense. I don't know what static does. It looks kind of similar to stretch. No, stretch is the worst one, actually. The static and towel. What's the difference? Oh, is it the line with the... Okay, I see. Repeat per segment, distribute per segment. Okay, so this one is similar to stretch. Chat, maybe like... I don't know how clear you can see this. Maybe it makes this a little bit bigger, I guess. You can see the colors, right? Is option 1... toweling, which is this, better? Or option 2, repeat per segment? Okay, no, never mind. This is too intense. This is not a better question. Towel is better. I was gonna ask, like, if this better or is this better? But this is too intense, so it's not better. I think this is like jarring, actually. It'll be like annoying to draw with. I'll do towel. Yeah, one for sure. I agree with you. I'm gonna build... Because like it used to be stretch, which is fine, but I think that the longer I make the lines, the less colors I would see. So I think towel is the best option. So we'll do towel. Yeah, towel, and then here. Oh, it's supposed to be infinity. That's interesting. Okay, so we improved the rainbow mode. Now let's check for the color mode, like the single color mode. I want to make sure that it's still a good option. So fist and finger point, and then move the avatar. Oh wait, no, I forgot. Toggle. Woo. Okay. Now we got this, and then we go with simple color. I think that's pretty solid. Yeah, okay. No complaints here. So the color are good now. I don't need to change anything. So let's go back to the animator. Color, nothing to change here. Inking. Now that's the special part. Okay. So what did I do back then? Idle, which is like do nothing. And then it start inking if I have the gesture right and left set up. Okay. Are inking about? Inking? I'm inking about ink. But not thinking. Or maybe I am thinking. I don't know. This is confusing. Okay, so I'm using the gestures only to draw, and that's the only way to start drawing. So I could add a condition that uses like a toggle, so that way if you turn on like a toggle, it starts inking permanently. Yeah, I like that. And then why do I have like two? So if it's not doing either gestures, then go back to idle. Yes, that makes sense. Oh wait, I'll have to think a bit more about this. Okay, and for clearing right now it's only gesture based. I think I want to remove this and to replace it with like a button, because gesture, while it's faster, it's too easy to do it accidentally, and erasing is something kind of important. Like, so I'll change this one transition. Okay, and then after clearing, there's an exit time. We need more. That's not what I wanted to do. More space. Okay. I'll need this. So it's a quarter of a second to exit. No, that's not a second. That's in ratio. Normalize. Okay, so like as soon as the marker is done clearing, it tries to go to idle, and then from idle I can go clear if the. Okay, so I'll replace those two. Now the thing, the part that I got stuck on a little bit, and now I'm going back to, is inking manually versus inking with a gesture. So I think I go to inking if the gestures is active or if there's a boolean. Sylph, hello. Let me pat this time. Thank you for redeeming. Oh. Pat. And scritches. Pat and scritches. How are you doing? Thank you for the redeem. Okay, so I'm thinking, what was I thinking? Oh yeah. So going from idle to inking would be either gesture, so like fist on one hand and pointing with the other hand, or the toggle is on. Now going back from inking to doing nothing is if either gesture is not correct and inking is not active. Yes, that's what I want to do. Because if I do it or, that means like it would go back and forth. Like if I have inking on but not the gesture on, it would just like loop in a circle, and I don't want that. Doing okay? Glad to hear. Happy Friday. I hope your Friday and weekend goes well. It's time for good old all my paycheck on red and cold one. Red. Wait, it's time for. My brain is not processing your message. It's time for good old all my paycheck. Okay, so good old. Put all my paycheck on red and a cold. Oh, are you gambling? And have a cracking cold one? Yeah, the red is sort of the roulette gambling, and then the cold one is a drink. It just took me a little bit to like process all of that. I don't know why. But yes sir. Oh no. Well, if you want a safer gambling option, you can gamble right here in chat using the DB coins. It's something you can do if you want to. Oh, there you go. Dropping 1,000 DB coins and losing it. Oh, all in and losing. Oh no. You lost everything. Gambling in 2001. Congrats, Jot. Congrats. And gambling all and lose. Oh no. Green, you lost everything. Wouldn't be the first time. Yeah, I mean, gambling is not meant to be won. Never needed to win, just needed to get rid of it. Okay, that's fair. Only way to go up is to start at the bottom. Right? Tipping playing is winning. If that's your definition of winning, yeah, I can stand behind that. Lost another 1,000. Oh no. No, you just went and you won 2,000 and lost 2,000. Having a good time? That is true. If you have a good time, I think that's good. Okay, let's add a boolean for cutie marker inking. And let's add that. as an optional secondary one that no exit time, fixed duration of 0, with the condition of inking true. If inking is true, start drawing. And on the way back, I want to attach it to both of these. So if it's a gesture, if it's not the right gesture and it's not inking, then go back. Because if it's not inking but the gesture is on, I still want to have it working. So it's just, I'm just attaching this new boolean, new argument, new variable to those conditions. Oh, Shiro, how are you doing? Hydration, okay. Ooh, perfect timing for me to put on this new thing. A water bottle. That's going into my throat, but don't worry about it. It's normal. Thank you for the hydrate. Did I pour water into all over myself to drink? Yes, that's okay. Ooh, nice job. You won a lot. And what if you put 5,000 on red and 5,000 on black? Can you? Is that how it works? Oh, and feeding. Thank you for feeding the slime. Soju time. No, Kyo. You cannot attach alcohol to redeems. But thank you for feeding the slime a bunch of cookies, Job. Pour something all over you. What? Shiro. Not like this. But how are you doing? It's been a while. I haven't seen you around here in a while. It's been a while. Brain blast. Yeah. I'm really happy that I got this bottle, I think. Like, I made this on stream, last stream. Would it be this cool as a merch? I feel like it could be nice as a merch. I kind of want one now. I kind of want this bottle as a merch. I need to look into how to do that. Would anyone in chat be interested in merch? See you all the time. I mean, outside of here. You'd buy? Nice, nice, okay. Yeah, I'll think about it. Like, I always felt like there wasn't like, maybe I'll attach it to like a special event at some point, like some kind of anniversary or like something like that, and then have like a release, a big launch of merch. That could be nice. Like some posters, some prints, mouse pad, water bottle if I can find. Keychain? Keychain would be nice. Yeah, I'll think about it. And you also need to design all of the merch, so. But I'll think about it. It's something I would like. Okay, not. And because I added a variable here, and in the thing, I need to add in the what is it called? The expressions, the cutie marker inking, which is a bowl, which is saved. Is it saved? Do I want it saved? Yeah, let's keep it saved. Be one of those people that release merch with a 4-letter word and sell it for absurd amount of money. I mean, 4-letter word. D-B-U-T. That's 4, right? Like D-B-Q-T. You can only lose as much money as you put on a gamble, but you can win so much more. That is true. Any money that you put on a gamble, you need to be ready to lose it. But if you win, then good for you. If not, well, you shouldn't gamble if you're not ready to lose it. And sell that on a $100 t-shirt and profit. I mean, if I sold it at $100, it would profit. T-shirts are not that expensive. But like, if it's a custom print, getting custom print is what, like $15 to go through like a dropship system. Okay, so I have this for the expressions, parameters, but I also want to edit it here so I can test it. Expression parameter, add here, bool, okay. And then I want to modify the menu. Wrong one. The menu to add that. I also want to add the clear. So let's do that as well. So bool qt marker clear. Yeah, let's also add it to the expression parameter. Qt marker clear. Make it a bool. This one I don't need it saved. Yeah, no save. Default off. Make it good. Then we go in. When we go into Japan, that's a good question. I miss it. I miss Japan. Like I was there last April around my birthday. It was amazing. It was too short. It was tiring, but I miss it. Especially the food. It was so sad. So like the other day here in the US, right? I was craving sukiyaki don, which is basically like a thin beef on a bowl of rice. That's pretty much it. And getting that bowl in the US, it's like $20. Getting that bowl in Japan was like 500 yen, which is like roughly $3, $4 maybe in the US. Like it's insane how like big of a difference the pricing was, and it made me sad because like if I want to eat the same thing here, it's so much more expensive. Love hotels. What is this? Sure, don't you have a girlfriend? What is this? She's gonna get mad. I'm gonna get in trouble. Or I will get into trouble. I don't want to get in trouble for that. Okay, so add a clear to the QT marker expressions, but also into the in here for boolean not saved. You don't have a boyfriend. That you got a point. You got a really good point. And I don't have anything. I don't know how to respond to that. The only reason you go to Japan is to bring the glory of true Mexican cuisine over there. I remember hearing, watching, reading. I don't remember. I remember seeing something online about like a Mexican that did that. They went over to Japan, opened like a food truck thing with true Mexican cuisine, like just tacos and stuff, and it was super popular because it's better than like a lot of the options over there. You should do it if you have the opportunity. You should do it. I do love Mexican food. I get it more often than Japanese cuisine. Yeah, so let's make a second transition with no exit time, no transition. For the clear, clear. If clear is true, and then yeah, it'll come back out, and also add it here as a second option with 0, 0, the clear to true. What's Mexican food? Oh no, sure. I need to get you Mexican food eventually. Although, like, I feel like there should be some good ones in where you are in Canada. Maybe, I don't know. Tacos, yes, it's peak. Yes, I guess Canada's too north to have good ones. Maybe. It's generation of poverty and cooking culture as well as access to the best ingredient in the world all brought into one. I like the way you put it. I like the way you put it. Okay, so I got the clear and the inking as parameters. Now let's add that to the menu. Submenu. Okay, so we have color, use sample color, and then I need 2 more controls. One of them will be a toggle, and one of them will be a button. The toggle will be for inking. I'll call it draw because like people are more familiar with the word draw than ink. But it's actually inking. So this will be inking. I'll make new logos for it. Then for this one is clear. Clear is okay. I think that's clear enough. And clear goes to true and then back to false. Okay. Let's test it. Canadian, you ever had good Mexican? Yeah, you're right. I haven't had good Mexican food in Canada. Is there poutine? Yeah, I mean in Quebec there's good poutine. Outside of Quebec it's kind of iffy. Like it's a gamble if you try to get some poutine. Okay, so let's turn on the toggle. Let's not do the what's it called, the gestures. But let's turn on draw and see if that works. Yes, that works. And then I stop the draw. And it stops. Oh, it moved. The color moves with me. That's interesting. And then I can do the gesture if I want to. And it will start drawing again. And then I can turn on draw at the same time. It will continue drawing. And then I can turn off draw. And then it continues to draw. Turn on draw. Stop one of the gestures. And it continues to draw. And then stop both and it stops. Okay, so the drawing part works. Then clearing. Like, that works. Okay? Not Canadian no more. Fair. What do you mean? I'm still Canadian. I still have my passport. I just live in the US. Poutine is mid. Have you had a good one? Carol. Oh, there's an ad. Whoops. I didn't notice. I don't know if you can still hear me or if you're a second ad. But you've been to Montreal or Viet. Did you have La Banquise? Oh, nice. 5 minutes. Okay. I'll wait for the ads to go through. 5 minutes? That's a lot. That is a lot. Okay, so oh yeah, I also want to remove the clear with gestures because I don't want to use gestures anymore. So I'm okay with that. Yeah, I don't want that with gestures because the whole point is to stop the accidental clear. So I changed that. Oh, I changed it while in play. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Okay, so now I have that. All those animations working. Yeah. For the gesture updates, that's pretty much all, I think. Is there anything else I want to do with this? I think it's only a good thing in Quebec. Well, only good thing? No, it's only good in Quebec. But I wouldn't say it's the only good thing. That's more. Oh, I don't know if you're in the ads though. Right, I'll repeat that once the ads are gone. Okay. Let me get some water since it's ad break. I'm French. I mean, I speak French. I'm French Canadian. I'm not like French from France. So am I French? That's debatable. Okay, I think I'm at the step where I want to learn more about modular avatar because like I'm done with updating constraints. I'm done with updating the animations to support perma inking. And I'm done updating the animation to support button-based clearing. Okay, so welcome back everyone from the ad break. So sure, you have been. You say you've been to Montreal and you're Viet. I don't know why the Viet part is relevant. Have you been to the Banquise, La Banquise, or poutine? Because arguably that's one of the best place for poutine. And poutine is only good thing in Quebec. I wouldn't say it's only good thing in Quebec. It's good in Quebec. It's maybe only good in Quebec, but it's not the only good thing. There's more stuff in Quebec, like maple syrup stuff. Like maple syrup in snow, for example, is another thing. And you said that I'm French. I'm French Canadian, which is, I guess, different from French. And that's kind of funny joke that you cat stole a McNugget. I mean, I don't know what else to say. That's funny. Your cat is smart. A smart cat. You don't remember? It's like there's only one shop at La Banquise. Usually you need a reservation or a lineup for a pretty long time outside. Being Viet is relevant because all the Viet families go to Montreal just for a church. Really? I mean, my family is not like Catholic or it's not with like Christianity, so I didn't know about that. That's interesting. Not even mad at him, kind of impressed, right? Like if that the cat is able to open your box of nuggets and still won. I mean, the cat kind of deserves it at that point. I mean, that's how I feel about it. But I'm sorry that you have one less nugget. I don't know how many nuggets. It's just one, right? That was stolen. But yeah. Now let's see. Let's take a look at the modular avatar website and read. Only took one. Okay, not too bad, man. How many nuggets? Like, is it like a 4-pack, 6-pack, or 10-pack, or 20, or 40? Documentation. Modular avatar. Okay, installation. Blah blah blah. The release version. Blah blah blah. Okay, nothing here. Tutorials. 20. Okay, that's not too bad at all. If you're that cat, you take a whole box. That's too much. You'll get sick. 20 nuggets expensive. No, food is just expensive now. Quantum. Kyo decided to open a fissure, a quantum fissure. You can put your hand in by typing join, and maybe putting your hand into like the fissure, it can grab out some DB coins or something. Who knows? I need to automate that and put it during ad time. Yes. Let me write that down. Where's my notes? Ideas. No, that's not the right thing. Stream. Ideas. Okay. Automate quantum during ad. That way you have something to do while the ads are playing. 5 minutes ad? It's supposed to be 3 minutes. Was it really 5 minutes? It's supposed to be 3. I set it to 3 minutes every hour. It was actually just about to ask if quantum search still think, yeah. About to close in 2 minutes. Oh, that's pretty long. Okay. Let me join as well. 6 ads. Dang. Your ads were at 2:45. Yeah, so it's supposed to be 3 minutes. If it's all 3 minutes, then Twitch is messing with you all. No ads were showing for you? Do you have turbo? Maybe that would be why. No turbo? Huh? I mean, you got lucky then. No ads for you. You don't have turbo. Yeah, no ads for you. Sometimes that happens. I know Jolt sometimes doesn't get ads as well. Ads are inconsistent. It's not even funny. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I have turbo, so I don't ever see ads. on Twitch. It's getting a bit more expensive, but you know, for me it's worth it. I'm on Twitch way too often for that. You got my ads and then got Twitch ads. Maybe. Like double ads. That's unlucky. Very unlucky. But yeah, anyone in chat who's lurking, if you want to have a chance again, get some DB coins, type exclamation mark join in chat. Because the feature is about to close in a couple of seconds. You got your first ad on Kyo's channel. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know what are the requirements, like how it works. Like, it's just weird with Twitch sometimes. If Content Fisher closed, Snow and Kyo both got 1500 DB coins. Congrats. Everyone else got crap. Congrats. Congrats on the crap. I'm kidding. Unlucky. Maybe next time. Yeah, let's see. Modular avatar. Example, will install an outfit. Okay, blah blah blah. Drag the outfit on the avatar. Right click the outfit. Set up outfit. Oh. Just finished taking one. Well, you can throw it again. Yeah, I'll try to automate that and have it run every time there's an ad. Or you know, I could do it now. Would you be interested in seeing me figuring out how to run the command whenever ad starts? Is that something you'll be interested in, chat? Let me know. What's a cooldown? I don't know. It's a mod. Man. So there might not be a cooldown. I can check though. Chat commands. Quantum. No cooldown. You're interested in Cutie being Cutie. It's only mods that can run it. Mods or higher. Because otherwise it would be just like free quantum points for everyone. And I don't want to destroy the economy. But I do want to run it every time there's an ad. Because like 3-minute ads, right? And it runs for... Does it run for 3 minutes? Because if it does, it's perfect. Yeah, it runs for 3 minutes. Like the ad starts, the Quantum Fisher opens. So you have to use... You can join while the ads are running, and then it closes when the ads are done. It's perfect. Yes, I should. I'm happy with that coincidence. Destroy the economy? Maybe in this economy? I mean, yes. Maybe. Yeah, let me know. I can work in on it off stream, but I can also do it on stream if like you're interested, chat. And I would work on it. Okay, so set up. You don't need to unpack. And that's cool. Let's set up armature, attach armature. Merge the bone. Glow, hello. How are you doing? What? Why are you shaking your dumpy in chat? What is this? Wait, so how does this work? What happened here when you click on the setup outfit module will locate the armature object, attach. Oh, okay, so there's a second armature. You finished working. Hey, nice. Nice. Oh, that was pretty late. That was a late. Isn't it like Saturday for you already? And you're on the next day? Music is a jam? Yes, I really enjoy this. What I'm listening to is a drum and bass mix from 2020. Oh wow, that's late. Well, I'm glad that you're back. And thriving, shaking you dumpy. Okay, so let's see. It merges the bone. When you click play, okay, so it's bone based, it's armature based. Put up the avatar, you can see what it looks like. As you can see, the bone unique. Okay, linking blend shapes. Imagine shaking butt. I don't know, Kyo. I think it's something you don't need to imagine. You're very familiar with that. You may rot peacefully in bed and chill to your stream, to my stream now. Alright, sounds good. Linking blend shapes. Configure blend shapes on the outfit to sync with base avatar. Interesting. Okay, I don't need that. Configuring complex. Okay. Simple clothing. Namely clothing, bra, outfit, underwear. I don't know if I feel safe scrolling on this tutorial. This is a tutorial about turning the bra off and underwear. Maybe I should skip this one, just to be safe. You shake your butt and you got fined. How much? How much, Shiro? How much of a fine did you get? Imagine shaking enough to start a quantum fissure. Oh no. And we're ready for the dumpy dance. Who? You opened a quantum fissure from shaking butt on my chat. Dang. Well, for 3 minutes, chat, you can put your hand into the fissure by typing in exclamation mark join, and maybe you can find some treasures or some crap. Both are possible. Glow is EP. Happy to be home. Yeah. Alright, let me also join. Not that I need coins or anything. I can like give myself unlimited coins. But I think it's fun. Better be crap from your butt. I mean, Kyo was the one shaking, so it would be from Kyo's. Right? Is that how this logic works? I don't know. I never thought about it. Is my channel why I don't have infinite coins? I mean, the system doesn't give me infinite coins. It gives me infinite channel points. But the coins is like a system on stream elements. So it's separate. But I can give myself as much as I need. So it's technically infinite. In practice, it's basically infinite. But I don't have like the infinite value. I have like a set value. How much do I have actually? I have, I'm not top? Wait, who has more than me? Wait. Who has more coins than me? What is this? Who do I have to ban? Oh, it's Scrat. Okay, I don't need to ban. Skill issue? Scraticus has more than me. Okay. I mean, I get it. I get it. So, the reason why Scrat has more than me is back in the days, Scrat used to stream Beat Saber a lot when I was also streaming Beat Saber a lot, and he would raid me all the time. And whenever someone raids my channel, they get bonus DB coins. And that's how Scrat got more than me, because he keeps getting those bonus coins by raiding me. 45 seconds. Plus switch delay. Minus switch delay. Alright. I think so. I believe so. Rating gives bonus coin. I mean, that's what I remember. Bonuses. When you follow, you get 1,000 bonus. When you tip, you get 1,000 bonus. When you sub, you get 5,000 bonus. When you cheer, you get 1,000 bonus. Oh, rate is at 0. Oh, I'll give like a little bonus. 1,000. When you raid, you get 1,000 bonus now. Maybe I removed it at some point. Donations, yeah. Donations also give 1,000 points per dollar. And cheers is also 1,000 points per 100 bit. Yes, that is true, Kyo. Before I turned on affiliate and have subs, people used to donate to me a lot instead of subbing. Donating was the alternative. Number 25, Psy. Nice. Oh yeah. Little board. Nice. What if you raid with 0 viewer? I think it's set to a minimum 1. Don't abuse the system. Don't start rating me all stream. Don't ruin it for everyone, okay? You're that 1 viewer. Watch you all on stream. I mean, I think you cannot actually be at 0. You always count as yourself as 1, I think. At minimum. I think that's the way it works. Okay, creating game object. Oh, this is for creating a toggle. Attach. Wait, hand ref. Add component. And my bone proxy. Okay, so this is how they do bone proxy. Okay. Number 19. Nice. And gambling away. You just dropped. Gambling. Alright, there's a little cooldown. And Glow just redeemed speaking French for 2 minutes. Okay, what time is it? 10:09. I'll start in 5 seconds. Et à partir de maintenant, je parle en français pour 2 minutes. Je peux remercier Glow pour avoir acheté cette récompense. Il me force à parler en français pour les 2 prochaines minutes. Oui, en effet, je parle en français. Et Joe est en train de utiliser tout son argent, toutes ses pièces de monnaie. Oh, tu as gagné 15 000. Félicitations, Joe. Tu as échoué l'année 9 en français. Alors tu as aucune idée de quoi je parle. Ah, c'est dommage. Tu aurais pu comprendre tout ce que je dis et répondre. Ça aurait été... ça pourrait être bien si tu pouvais parler en français. Ah, tu as compris ça. Tu as compris 9? C'est bien ça. And now I'm back to in English. It's been 2 minutes. Thank you, Glow, for redeeming that. Reminds you have to finish that show. Oh, the time traveler show in French. Yes, we need to. Okay, so I want to ask chat for feedback. Glow just did the redeem of speaking in French, right? And I spoke only in French for 2 minutes. Would you prefer if I did French and English at the same time and speak like a Canadian politician? So let me do like few sentences that way. As an example. Alors, je parlerai en français, and then I would speak in English, et j'alternerai entre le français et l'anglais. And I will alternate in French and in English. Pour tout ce que je dis, comme ça tout le monde peut comprendre. For everything that I say, that way everyone understands. Would that something that would be better, you think, chat? I would put it longer because like since I'm alternating between the languages, like it takes twice as much to say stuff, right? But I would like speak French and then say it in English right after, so you still understand what I just said. But it wouldn't be pure French. Could be a different redeem. Maybe. Make them suffer, go learn French if you understand. I mean, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I want to get like chat's opinion on it. French and our native tongue. Want to redeem where you narrate the entire French revolution? No, Joe, that's not gonna happen. That's too much. This looks complicated. Or like the toggle. There's so many steps. Demand French karaoke to redeem? I wouldn't even do karaoke in English. What do you mean? One day. I don't know how to sing. Now? No, not now. Not happening now. I don't know how to sing. I'm shy. Maybe with like auto-tune. Would it be fine? Yeah, sure. You just mentioned auto-tune. Like, would it be okay if I turn on auto-tune? Like a filter for that? Creating. Okay, so this is just like a normal thing. Setting up transitions. Yeah, that's just a normal one. Merge. Oh, okay, so they have a merge component. Okay. Hierarchy is a must. Need a clip of you torturing me like it's a Jedi. Oh no. You tortured Jedi? Why? Why did you do that? Okay, so like what I'm building is basically a toggle for like animations. I'll sync with me, but you be. What's the point if you sync with me but you mute it? Why is my elbow broken? What is this? Why is this weird? Why does this look weird? Is it rotated wrong? Whoa! My shoulder! Whoa! Twist bones. And it... Wow. Why? I don't know how this works. I need to fix that. What did you do to Jai? I must know now. Yeah. I'm also curious. Like, I guess as long as my arm is like normal position, it's fine. Oh, this is insane. It's like the bicep part is like its own thing. Interesting. You could do that. Could you? Maybe it's a plushie confirm. I don't know how I feel about that. Being a plushie. Is that a good thing? I don't know. Yeah, I create animations. Okay, so that's fine. Think parameters. Oh, module avatar. Okay. So I need to redo the parameters in module avatar. And the menu. What did you send me? Oh yeah. Yeah, let me share it in chat so everyone can see. What did you make him sing? Oh, okay. you couldn't hear it, but like I was watching on a different browser. Yeah, you can watch a clip if you want to see that. That's funny. Yeah, that's torture. Having him sing that's torture. Yeah, so menu. Is it a proxy menu as well? Create expression menu asset. Okay, no, that's a normal menu. Menu installer. Okay, so yeah, menu installer. Prefab conversion. First component and user make one mess up primary menu installer. And parameters. Top to free. Okay. I see. And then make a prefab for all of this. So the object just a cube under a hand ref, and a hand ref has like a proxy. Okay, I think I understand how this works now. I am ready to actually build this thing. So let's go. Module avatar? No. 2D marker modular avatar. So it will be a separate asset. I mean, separate prefab. So MA. What was it? Okay, under it, let's add a index ref. What guide is that? I'm looking at the modular avatar documentation on how to build it. And thank you, Kyo, for feeding the slime and cooking. Okay, so and then now I can have a bone proxy. For blah, I need to find index. So right index. What are those names? Proximal, intermediate, distal. Intermediate throw channel on this throw redeem on this channel. Okay, I will do it. Not today, but I will do it. Let me write that down. What would you like to throw to me? Throw redeem. Cookies? You know this? Okay. Which one is the tip of the finger, Kyo? Because of your tendon? Which one is the tip of the finger? It's either proximal or distal. Distal means elbow. Yo, I don't think there's a finger near the elbow. Like if you have a finger here, they did something weird during your surgery. You should not have fingers around your elbow. You should get a second opinion from a doctor and show them the finger on your elbows. Because I think you have... I mean, it could be like a superpower kind of thing. You can grab things from your elbow. That could be interesting. Hugs would be weird because like when you hug, you can like tickle people with your elbow finger. So in terms of finger, that would be a lame power, but you can hug people and tickle them at the same time. Or maybe you can hold stuff at your elbow. Like, I don't know, if you're holding like a sword or like a hammer or a weapon, right? You can hold another one on your elbow. So you think distal would be the right one? Okay. I'll trust you. Attachment mode. Astral approved. Yes. Okay. So there's two. So this is the root ref, and then I add another phone proxy for the... What is last one? Is there a thing to attach to root? Phone proxy. Well fixed object. Oh, that's cool. But that's not what I want. Okay, I mean, we can try last bone and see where that goes. Maybe last bone is like the root. Maybe that's how they do it. Okay. And then let's duplicate this to unpack this one. So the marker position would be at the index, and the marker itself would be at the root. That's the idea at least. Okay. And then I saw it? No. Okay, so I added those bones. Animator. MI merge. Animator. Oh, so I can choose the animator. Okay, nice. That means I can do where is it? Oh, FX. I can do this. Under the FX layer, delete attach animator. Delete the animator attached throughout. Oh, because I need to attach it here. Yes, okay. Wait, what? Why? If it's here, I don't need to attach it. This still has to do with pinky. It's a common injury. I mean, every finger has a distal and a proximal version. Like the thumb, proximal, intermediate distal, index, proximal, intermediate distal, middle, proximal, intermediate distal, ring, proximal, intermediate distal, and little, I assume that's the pinky, proximal, intermediate distal. So like, is it like oh, it's not accurate enough. Is it like the start of the finger or the end of it? Right? Maybe I just like pull up finger bone name. Why is it so blurry? Okay, so distal is the furthest one, middle is the middle one, and proximal is the closest to the palm one. So distal is the furthest one, according to this picture on Google search. So distal is the correct one here. So like the proximal index would be like the first bone from the palm. Then the index intermediate is the middle one, middle section of the finger, and the index distal is the furthest bone. Is what I was able to understand. Okay, so how does this work? Point it to your and match out the right defaults. Okay. I guess. Check the delete attached. And then also add, okay. I guess I need to. Here. Does it need to be at the top? Feel free to put it down if you prefer. Just make sure that the parameters is either the same object or parent. Okay, so this is for the animator, and then now I can do an MA parameters. Yes. Oh, that's cool. Marker saved, auto rename. Menu parameters. I can change the name as well. Okay, you gotta go. All right, sounds good. Thank you for hanging out, Bill. Hope you have a good one. Modular define make order renames parameters of what conflict and define sync and unsynced and then default. Okay, so you can set the default. Is Fizzbone? No. Animator. This is a bowl. Not local only. Okay. Oh, this is a lot. This is a lot of text. Setting default. Initially collapse view makes it easy to set default for each parameter. Setting non-blank default will override the value. Okay. You can set the blank value as well. Useful multiple different same parameter where default value we ignore. Setting default value for the same parameter will result in a warning. For the saved option, generally speaking, the parameter will be saved. We've set it to save, our encryption, in the section on nesting. Okay. Normally, default value will only affect the expressions on your avatar, if over the default value of itself. Okay. Oh, I see what that means. Okay, override default. That's what I want. Renaming. Yeah, I'll get to rename. Creating new parameters. You can create new parameters, click the plus, and then click the chevron with its name. Okay. Again, you can expand unregistered parameters. Okay, detected. You can add. Okay. Either way, after creating, chevron next, you can change attributes. Fizzbone and contact. Parameters can rename parameters used by via chat. Fizzbone and contact receivers. For Fizzbone, enter the prefix. Okay, I'm not using Fizzbones. Expression parameters. Set parameters type. You will sync a parameter over the network. I'll always be using a OSC or the parameter sync. Click on local. Okay. Nesting. Components can be nested. You build a complex system of multiple subcomponents. Okay, that's fine. I want the default to be false. How? Because this is like a text field for default. It's fine. Okay. Let's do the other same thing for the other ones. So clear is also a boolean. Not saved and override. The wheel is a float. Is saved and override. The inking is a boolean, override and saved. Color is a boolean, saved and override. Okay. That should be okay for parameters. What else? Let's go back here. And so parameters is there. Merge animator. I have merge animator done. Animator is there. Parameters is there. Menu installer. Menu installer. Menu to install. You head out for now. Alright, sounds good, Jolt. Thank you for hanging out. Have a good one. Okay, menu. Submenu. Edit menu. Extract menu to object. Oh. So this is how it's set up. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. So the menu installer source object override, which is none. Then the menu itself is what? Oops. Menu group. The toggle, okay, so marker value is 1. Oh, okay, so 1 is true? Why is it 1? 1 will be true. Oh, when it's used. Okay, that makes sense. And thank you, George, for the hydration redeem. Let me grab water. I need to fix the animation. Well, I guess like just a calibration because it's not accurate. Yeah, it's not accurate. Okay, so how does this work? So I can set like an icon and then the parameter and a value it gives to the parameter. And this is a wheel. Okay. Okay, so this is the menu. I want to look up the information about menu. So menu items. So these are menu items. Okay. That's fine. And this is a menu installer. Okay. What else do I need? Do I need to? I don't need to merge armature. I already have like the bone proxy. Okay. I think that's all I need. Animation parameter menu. Oh, I also need to. I guess. Let's remove this. Convert constraint. No, that's not what I want. Move. Scale. Constrain. Menu installer. The prop developer. Okay, this is good information here. First, create expression menu with the control you want to add. This will be appended to a selected submenu. As such, if you want a submenu, you only need to create 2 menu assets, one for the submenu and one for the item menu. Add a menu installed on your prefab, add some level of parameters, open the developer tag option, design menu install, done. Okay. Maybe. Oh, we'll test. We'll test. Menu group. When you want to install multiple menus without grouping them. Yeah, that's fine. Oops. Toggle. Oh, okay. Might be it. That might be it. But there's the constraint I'm so confused about because there's a step with the constraint that I do. So maybe, just maybe, what I need to do is add the VRC constraint. Constraint. Current constraint. Add the source, which will be this. And 0 and activate all the time. Where is it? There we go. So maybe this is what I need. And it will just work. Maybe. Okay. Let's make a new folder, or no, just put it here. Modular avatar. So I got this. Now let's do a test, I guess. Let's add. Okay, so let's imagine we are a user, and we just want to add a thing. Distributing logo usage. Okay, that's fine. Tutorial. So the way I've set up outfit installation, I want to see how do you use it. Sample. Oh, they also have like a a finger pen system. That's interesting. Okay. Then I guess I need to add the MA installer. No. Menu installer, install target. So how do you install something? Modular avatar. Setup outfit? No. How do you use this? Modular avatar. Show. Okay, tutorial. This is configuring. Drop the outfit on. Okay. So let's say this is the avatar. I drop this on top of it. And then right click and set up. That's for outfits. How does it work for toggle? Finishing of conversion, okay. Drag them onto your avatar. Instant cube. Oh, maybe that's it. You just have to drag it on the avatar like this. Would that work? Yeah. How does that work? And then do I just close what? Modular avatar. Yeah, maybe that just works. Wait. Is it this that much magic? Oh, okay. No target. One proxy needs to know which object, try setting the target fill of the object. Okay, so root ref. So root ref doesn't know where to go. Oh. Okay, so when I put last bone, it didn't know. So let me pull this back out. Last bone is not good enough. I mean, I guess I don't need it to be on the bone. It's already at the right place, right? Would that work? Can I do that? Like if I don't have a ref, I just put this here. Okay, let's try that. Oops. Add to the avatar and then hit play. Okay, click on the avatar. Let's open the gesture. Expressions. Yeah, I don't see my menu in there. Let's take a look at the FX. FX merge. What's in there? It does have my stuff in it. Okay, so the merge worked, but not for the menu. Cutie marker is here. It's looking at this transform, which is now on the index ref, which is at the end of the index. Okay, so the setup is almost done, working. It's only missing the menu part. The menu installer cannot work. So I guess menu install target. Oh, wait, because okay, so that doesn't work. Menu. I don't get it. Edit menu. Let's go back. So it's almost there. Converting existing menu, extract menu, it generates all of this. Menu installer. Install to. Different name. Oh. The user has to choose. Install to. Here. Under VRC version menu. Wait, so that should have worked out. Gesture manager. Maybe. Expression menu. It has my emote. Very smooth and emote. Emote. It's not showing up here. Anything on the console? No, nothing. No errors at least. So there's something missing in the menu setup. So let's take a look. Okay, so I have a menu, avatar menu object that has an install to. Oh, it needs a menu group, maybe. Turn into object, you can inspect each item. Okay, so it's missing maybe a menu group. So this one is showing all of these. Okay, maybe. Let's try it. Oh no, it's all showing up in that one menu. I don't want it to be like that. I want it to be a sub menu. So how do I do that? Oh, there's a menu group here. And a menu group here. Menu installer. Menu to install. install to this. Yeah, this makes sense. So these two, I wanted to generate like a submenu. So how do I do that? Extract object, adding new menu item that I got. To create submenus, set type to submenu and source to children. Okay, so the item, it needs to be an item. So this needs to be an item, not a group. The menu item, type submenu, call this cutie marker. Children. Okay, maybe this is what I need. No, go to, there you go. I see cutie marker and all of this. Okay, that's promising. Draw. What? Get out of here. Okay. So draw, that works. Wow. Okay, this is so much easier now for future people who use modular avatar to install my asset. All they need to do is drag my asset into the avatar and then hit play. That's all they have to do. Nothing else. That's crazy. That is crazy. Makes it so much easier. Oh, we're getting raided by Alistair with a Twitch chat of level 5. Hello, hello. Welcome, raiders. Welcome, Alistair. Thank you so much for the raid. Let me give you a shout out. How was Overwatch? How are you doing? And how is everyone from that raid? To anyone who doesn't know, my name is DBQT. I am a time traveler, VTuber, also VTuber manager, vegan ambassador, Unity expert, and VR enthusiast. Today I am working on my VR chat asset prefab that I've been building called Cutie Market. I'm updating it to make it better. Yeah, thank you so much for the raid. And I don't know if people will notice, but there was like a during the raid there was a custom sprite for Alistair. Just one of those people who got it. Oh, there's ads. That's unfortunate. I'll wait until the ad ends and then I'll redo all of that. Unlucky timing. 20 more seconds. Welcome, Raider. Hi, Alistair. Thank you so much for the raid. Let me replay that animation because unlucky timing with the ad. You got in while the ad was running. Yeah, let me replay that. Alright, round 2 of playing your animation. Not a real raid. Yeah, that was. But yeah, that was the animation. Thank you so much for the raid, Alistair. I appreciate it. How was Overwatch? How are you? How is everyone in chat? And I'll redo the intro because I did it before I noticed that it was in the ad break. Welcome everyone. Check out Alistair, cool VTuber, plays a lot of games. Last was Overwatch. To anyone who doesn't know me, I am DBQT, time traveler VTuber, VTuber manager, VCat ambassador, Unity expert, and VR enthusiast. I also play different games like Nintendo games sometimes. Or Fall Guys. Today we're working on an asset prefab for VR chat I've been developing for a couple of years. The cutie marker, so you can draw with your hand while in VR chat. Started with content warning, but stopped loading us into the map, so we switched to Overwatch. Oh wow, that's weird. That's a pretty bad bug that you cannot load into the maps. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Sorry to hear that. But yeah, and to anyone who did not notice, during the animation, there was a custom sprite that Alistair has for the raid animation. Yeah, thank you so much for the raid again, Alistair. Switch to Overwatch. Did you win? Did you have good wins in Overwatch? Oh yeah, something I can show you because like I just got it working right before the raid, which is pretty cool. Win some, lose some. Yeah, that's how it goes. So now on an avatar, given avatar like a VR chat avatar, you can just drag my new prefab in it. If you have modular avatar set up, that's it. That's all you have to do to set it up. Just drag and drop, and then when I hit play to test it, now the cutie marker is set up with just one drag and drop. So like if I turn on draw, you can start draw, marker toggle and start drawing. It draws. Or like if you want to use gestures, you can do fist and point to draw as well. And you can use the clear button to delete. But I'm amazed that it's just literally a drag and drop. Just loop and then it's done. Instead of like going through all the steps. Like I had the old version up until now, well the current version has like this entire readme for like the 10 steps on how to do it. Or like 15 steps if you, well, the 15th step is that's it. But there was a bunch of steps that you had to go through, but now with modular avatar, which is a system I'm trying to learn how to use, drag and drop. I like it. It's neat. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So if you need to like take care of yourself after like post-stream care, please do what you need and get some good rest. I know how it is after a stream, but otherwise I'll keep working on this. So far I have this cutie marker avatar, but the version I built is the what's it called? The no right default version. I just need to make a teleport system that uses Portal. I wonder. I do have SSM, but I need to update it. And this is what I'm doing right now. I'm updating my assets. Like the pen, the marker has been around for a while, but I'm updating it. So it's better. I'm doing some changes. So like the shader used on the drawing is better. Hopefully smoother, but I don't know if that will actually work. Easier to install, one click. And then next I'll update the teleporter, stuff like that. The reason why I'm going back to update all of this is hi Foxy, hello. The attack. Why are you attacking me? What did I do? And the main reason why I'm going back to my old assets and updating it is I discovered recently that people are actually installing it. Because like I've been releasing these for free on GitHub and Booth, and on Booth I see 0 download and I see no install. No one is buying them. So it's free with a optional, like you can pay to support me. Sneak attack hug. Wait, let me protect myself with cookies. Throws cookies as a diversion. And then during VCAT, usually I would advertise all of these assets in the booth, but I never really saw a conversion. I didn't know like if people were actually installing them and stuff like that. But I discovered that was another place where I'm publishing those. It's called the VCAT store. I didn't know anyone was using them. But then the other day I was curious and I just went on the website and then I looked at my stats, and turns out a bunch of people are downloading my assets. And it makes me super happy and motivates me to like update my stuff and make it better. Because I didn't think people were using it, but now that I know people are using it, and even paying that optional like support me option, like some people are giving me money to support me even though it's optional for this. So I want to go back and update all of this, and that's what I've been doing, making it better. So let's see. Now I have this module avatar. Let's call it no red default, and then I'll make a second one that is right default. And the only difference really is just the animator, which I need to update. So I'll put this on the side and go back to this and swap the animation for the right default version, because I need to update that. So here, also need to swap it here. Yeah. How are you doing, Foxy, Alistair? How is your start of the weekend going? Parameters, I'm adding 2 new ones. Bool for inking and clear. I need to add those. And then in the ink, ooh, that's a different shape. You know why? I'm wondering like if I actually need to like have it split like this, because these are the same. It's just right default. Wait, actually, oops, wrong. What? Okay. Something I want to test, because I don't remember, like the FX by default is not using right default. Okay. Feelings. Okay, so this is not using right default. But what if I was using a right default version of it? How would that look? What would that would look like? Yeah, let me duplicate the no right default, use it as a test version, and then build it with everything right default. So here, I just want to see if it works. Like maybe I'm overthinking this and there's nothing to change. Because if there's nothing to change, then it's just compatible. Okay, so everything is right default. Because all of my animations are the same. So maybe it just works. Fingers crossed. Can I do fingers crossed? No, I cannot do fingers crossed. Okay, so let's turn on the toggle and draw. And turn off the draw. And then clear. Okay, alright, fist and point. And clear. While still doing fist and point. Alright, and then hit draw. and then remove one of the gestures, and then remove the draw. You know, maybe it just works. Maybe I don't have to do anything, because it seems to work fine with right default on as well. So maybe what that means is I don't need to let the asset between right default and not right default, and let modular avatar handle all of it. Maybe. It's all I'm thinking, at least. And I don't need like a complex name for it anymore. Yeah. And my old instructions to install is still valid. It's still like the same. You can still do it manually. You just use the different prefab. This one instead of this one. So really, maybe it just works. Yeah. Yeah, that may be it. Like, I'm not seeing anything else that I would need to do. Well, I need to update my readme. But everything else... Oh. But everything else is fine. The marker itself. Using tall. Why did that not change? A minute. Apply all, and then also want to, let me update this one. So this is correct. It's using the old one. Okay. VRT constraint, and then the source is position. And apply. Yeah. Just making sure that this is up to date. And then in this one, yeah, this is correct. Okay, let's delete this. Drag and drop in, and then hit play. See if that works. If this magic works. I want to take a look at the marker itself. View tall, not emitting. And then let's see. Marker on, draw, clear, keep drawing, up. Switch to single color. Then change the color. Yeah, that's all work. Hide. It all works. Okay. What is this one? Oh, the menu. 2D marker. Okay, okay. I am happy with this, actually. Let me move this menu installer up, because that's the main thing probably want people to customize like where it actually goes. And then the parameters. Everything else, I don't think I want people to mess with those. Animator, maybe. If they want to change that. Match avatar. Yeah. Okay. This is in a good state. This one is emitting. Why is this not emitting? It should be. I guess something is overriding it. Is it an animation? RGB. Emission. Maybe? Trail. That's a texture value, but that's not it. Emitting 0 on idle, on inking emitting 1. Oh, okay, it's only emitting when it's 1. I see. Okay, but that's not what I don't want to change that actually. Okay. Let's update the readme. Let's pull that. New window. Okay, so marker. Oh, I really need to update all of this. There's a lot. Okay. 3D marker. Let's call it version 2.0. This is it. It is a big update. Triple pen can be rainbow or flat color, selectable, works in any avatar. Works on any avatar built with SDK 3.0. Visible in the mirror, simple setup. Let's move the quest not compatible at the bottom. Modular avatar compatible. And then let's put a link to the modular avatar website. There we go, like that. So now people know it's compatible. I wonder if there's like a way to like make it more known. Let's see. Distributing. Modular distribute element. Distribute prefabs, guide user to official point. Including copy is permitted. However, could result in saying old version. Guiding. Okay. Official. Is this better or the website? This website is better. Oh, I like this more. Cleaner. Okay. Feature intend to use VCC based. Okay. Nested prefabs. If you add a modular avatar component to a prefab. Nested prefabs. Prefab to prefab. Okay. That's fine. Using internal parameters. That's fine. Versioning policies. Okay. Incompatible. New feature backward compatible. Well, okay, so I need a 3 number version We use semantic versioning. Okay. Logo usage guidelines. What to use for users or blah blah. No permission needed. Okay. Turning some case. Group usage. Okay. Oh, Kyo doubling it and giving it to the next person, trying to spend more points. Oh yeah, Kyo, were you there when I did the testing for the setup? It's pretty amazing actually. So you see this avatar? You're away? Okay, so look at this. You see this avatar, VRChat avatar, nothing set up, right? Just basic avatar. Freshly converted from VRM. If you have modular avatar installed, this is how you install my marker now. Done. That's all you have to do. Isn't it crazy? There, hello, doubling it. Now, like if I hit play to test in editor, it's there. It's already installed. Like modular avatar takes care of it. So now if I open the manager, QD marker is there and everything is there. Constraint parameter menu, everything is done. Everything. It's amazing. You can turn on the thing and it works. It's just a single drag and drop for like toggles or like stuff like that, right? And the reason why it works and it skipped all the setup is I can specify. Oh, you were here like when I was setting up like the bone, right? So it knows which bone to go through, and then for the menu, it's also setting up all the menu stuff. And for the parameters, it's already like I pre-set up all the parameters as well, and like how to merge the animator, all of that, like animator stuff and the menu. Like it's all as the dev, I pre-set up all of this. So the user doesn't have to. If they use modular avatar, they just drag and drop and that's it. That's done. And the nice thing is, like, you know, or sometimes you don't want something that is only added at runtime, right? Because when you stop play, it's not in the avatar anymore. But sometimes you want that. So you can still trigger it. In modular avatar, you can manually bake the avatar. Which did not work for me. Plugin. Maybe I need to set up. Or select. Oh, there you go. I didn't select the right thing. So it doesn't mess with that version. It creates a copy that has everything installed. So like this one has like the bone setup and all of that. It's done permanently. Like in the index and then index ref, and then you can see the markers here. Alright. So you can bake it into like permanent change, and like the FX generates a new one that has like my marker stuff. But the original one is still intact. It's still like the original VRChat one. So I think it is pretty nice. You have the option to bake it permanently in, or you can just drag and drop and modular avatar does the magic. Moving forward, I'm going to make everything modular avatar compatible. But I also intend to keep it like not required. Like if you don't want to use modular avatar, you can still do it. And you can still install it the old way. So it's pretty neat. I like it. And it's fast. And I just renamed this so like I don't need to update my old instruction. Because I'm lazy. Just put it at bottom. I guess if you want, you could. No, it's more like maybe some people don't want to use modular avatar, or for whatever reason, maybe they're using VRC Fury. and I'm just, the setup is, I mean, it makes sense for me for modular avatar, and it's light, like there's no like long loading or anything. I just click and it's like as if nothing happened. Like it just works. It just does it. And now it's here. And you can still customize it as like a user. Like let's say you don't want, like you want to choose where it goes, like in the menu stuff. Well, here in the menu, you can still, where is it? Merge, oh, that's animator. Menu. You can still choose where it installs. Like if you have like a sub menu for like all your props, toggles, you can still do that. Or you can even dig into the actual menu and set it up. So yeah. This is pretty cool. And Dara, thank you for feeding the slime a cookie. Okay, I just need to update my instructions. Modular avatar setup. Easiest. And this I'll just call it setup, not the simple one. And then yeah. Setup for empty avatar, no existing FX layer setup. So this doesn't change, this is all true. Like it's all the same still. All the parents constraint is now a VRC parent constraint. VRC parent constraint component. Basic. Okay, I need to change this. So I remove the fist gesture on both hands. You can draw without the gestures by toggling on the jaw. By turning on draw toggle, you can clear by selecting the clear button in the menu, in the expression menu. In the expression menu. Okay. The modular setup. Ensure you have modular avatar set up in your project. And then grab this modular avatar. Then 2. Drag the prefab Qt marker. What is it called? Qt marker modular avatar. Qt marker modular avatar into the root of your avatar. That's it. Best instruction: drag and drop your prefab into your avatar. That's it. Okay, I'll add it in optionally. Customize the menu to install. How do I even say this? How do I word this in a simple way? optionally customize where the menu is installed, and I'll just link to it, I think. Menu installer. How do I use it? I think. Hi Charmin. Hello, hello. I'm doing good. Happy Saturday for you now. How are you? I'm good. I was just working on building a new tool for the avatar, and it's going pretty well. It's actually doing a lot better than I thought it would be. I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, menu installer. I can link this here. Actually customize where the menu is installed. Here. That's it. And all of this doesn't change. I mean, I do. I guess I do need the install steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saturday, yeah, a little bit ahead of me. Oh, mid of the afternoon. It's almost midnight for me. An avatar for somebody, not an avatar for someone else. So what I'm building is a pen system, so that someone else in VR chat can install this to their avatar and they can draw in space. So actually, the best way I can show this is with the video. Yeah, best way is to show this with a video, because I do have a video of it. Where's my thing? Too many things. Read me. There's a video that I prepared. It's an old video. I need to make a new one. Animated emote? Not quite, not quite. You'll understand once you see the video. I need to redo this video. But basically in VR, you can enable the pen, and then you can draw with your hand in VR. Like here I'm explaining like the buttons, and then turn on, and then with your hand you do some gestures, and then you can draw in space. So I built this tool so like anyone can have hands on their avatars. You can customize the color and all of that. Yeah, so this is an old asset that I built. Like this video is 2 years old, but like the actual asset is like 3 years old now, and I updated that to make it better. And I was updating the instructions on how to set it up here. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. So I think this is all I need. Launch avatar, import, drag. That's it. 3 layers. Yeah, so free. I need to change like the version numbering. The 2.0.0. Okay. Oh, that's done. I am happy with this. What time is it? 2:41. Maybe that's where I wrap up stream. Perhaps. Yeah, because this was pretty much the plan for today. Updating the pen that I'm done. Now like all I need to do is like package it and then upload to like this will be on GitHub, on Booth, and on VCat Store. those are the 3 places I'll put them. I need to add the Wicked Sword to my links, my socials. Yeah. Yep, I think that's it for today. I'm happy with the result. With the progress, it took a little bit less than 3 hours to learn the system, and the next time will be faster and easier. Now let's see. So around, let me look at who I could raid, perhaps. Time to launch Wuwa and start playing. I do have it installed. I played like almost 2 hours. Wait, let me pat this time. Pat. Pat this time. Thank you for redeeming the pats. Alright. Okay, yeah, I'll end stream here. Thank you all for hanging out. Stay around as I will raid. I will raid someone that I haven't had a chance to raid yet, but they have raided me. So we'll go to Uzu Rimia. She is a fellow VKit ambassador. Right now, I think she's doing art stream, at least according to the title. But yeah, we'll head over there. I haven't had a chance to raid, so I want to return the favor a little bit. And have a good night. Thank you, Charmin. Have a good Saturday for you. For anyone who is not already part of my socials, you can follow my Twitter. You can join my Discord. That's where I post the most, and there's a bunch of links in my link tree you can check out. Appreciate it. If you don't want to miss my next stream, join the Discord. That's the best way to stay on top of it. I forgot to post to my Twitter. Well, that just proved that Discord is a more reliable way to see where I put stuff. And as we raid, let's use a raid message. Just a raid from the Cutie Squad. You can use that and send that into the chat of Uzu to say hi and hang out. Be nice. Yeah. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Thank you. Oh wait, one more thing. Congrats to L for being first. Congrats to Glody for being MVP, spending the most points. Thank you to Kyo for the resub. Thank you to Snow and Alistair for the raids today. Appreciate it a lot. And Snow for also a 1-bit cheer. Alright, I'll see you all next time. Bye bye!
Fine!